If you're a first-time homebuyer or investor looking to own a luxury home in Coral Gables, call the Ashley Cusack Team for expert real estate help. Ashley Cusack and her team offer you detailed walkthroughs of homes if you're not comfortable driving out to a property or are not able to do so. The Coral Gables, Florida real estate expert offers live video tours, 3D tours, and virtual open house viewings for all Ashley Cusack Team clients. The real estate professionals manage the sales process efficiently and safely, using video appointments to connect with you. The Ashley Cusack Team manages the buy side and the sell side of Coral Gables luxury real estate transactions. Find high-end properties in Coral Gables, Coconut Grove, High Pines, Ponce Davis, Pinecrest, Miami Shores, Palmetto Bay, and South Miami. The Ashley Cusack Team of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services EWM Realty is Miami's most trusted and respected luxury real estate brokerage. Visit ashleycusack.com for virtual property viewings.